What exactly is the bitwise AND operator? It is represented by the ampersand symbol, and it compares the binary representation of two numbers bit by bit. For each bit, if both bits are 1, the result is 1. Otherwise, the result is 0. Let me show you an example in code. Say we have two numbers, 14 and 11, and we apply the bitwise AND operation on them, and then print that result to the terminal. If I run that code, we see that we get 10. Why is this? First, we need to convert these numbers to binary. 14 in binary is 1110 because 8 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 14, and 11 in binary is 1011 because 8 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. Now, let's go step by step with the bitwise AND operator, which only returns a 1 if both bits in the same position are 1. If either bit is 0, the result is 0. Comparing each bit from left to right, in the first position, both numbers have a 1, so the result is 1. In the second position, 14 has a 1, but 11 has a 0, so the result is 0. In the third position, both numbers have a 1, so the result is 1. And in the last position, 14 has a 0 and 11 has a 1, so the result is 0. Putting it all together, we get 1010 in binary, which is 10 in decimal. That's why 14 and 11 equals 10. The bitwise AND compares each bit and only returns 1 where both bits are 1. So that's the bitwise AND operator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments what operator you'd like to see next.